So you want to make money online, you're into affiliate marketing, you're generally into e-commerce, and you're ignoring collecting email addresses and doing lead generation, then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to a few email marketing services out there. Call them out: ConvertKit, GetResponse, MailChimp, Aweber, SendinBlue, and a few of them out there. You should get to know them. You should start using them because they will certainly increase your revenue. I promise. Try it out. You need email marketing services. My name is Pete. I own a digital marketing agency in Frankfurt, Germany. My passion is to help you make money online. So in this part of the lesson, we're going to take a look at the email tools and the lead generating softwares out there that we can use for our affiliate marketing business. So before we kick off, short word: this is a very serious business and you should take it seriously. The initial investment is not that much. With $100 you can get started. You can also do it for free, absolutely free, but after a while you certainly need to invest. That you should know. So we're going to take a very serious approach to this, so that when your customers come to you, they'll know, hey, you're a serious person and they can trust you. All right, so it's about building that trustworthiness to be able to generate customers. All right, so let's get started. Okay, so I'll introduce you to a few, and we start off with GetResponse. GetResponse is as it says, get sales, get growing, and get leads. They implement this system right here at the beginning of the web page, so you see it in action. Alright, before you do anything else, smash that like button. We check the pricing. Okay, so shortly said, grow your audience, engage with customers, sell your knowledge, boost online sales. That's what it is. We check the pricing. The basic plan starts with $15 a month, and so on. You can start with a free trial and get going. The free plan is for 30 days. And now we'll check another one, that's Aweber. Here you also see lead generation right there in action. It's got a smart design, drop and drag and drop page builder as well. It's got templates. It's got campaign automation. It's got push notification, and also an e-commerce integration. And you can get started for free. Check the pricing. User friendly. You can start with 0 to 500 subscribers. That's for free. After you get more subscribers, you can then start paying. But with 500 subscribers, 2, 3 to 5 or 10 will certainly make a purchase if you take this very seriously and use lead generation softwares. Okay, so the next is MailChimp. MailChimp has been around the past years. It's amongst the oldest and the most experienced, but I'll say the most not the most user friendly. It's a bit complicated and there are lots of disadvantages with MailChimp. I personally don't like MailChimp that much, but you can certainly give it a try. Right, but I wouldn't recommend it. Right, so let's check their pricing. So you can start with a free plan and up to 2,000 subscribers. That's very attractive, but it gets complicated and there are lots of limitations with the free plan. So you might realize after 10 leads, you might want to get a professional plan and a paid plan, that is. So I'll watch out for that. And my favorite is SendinBlue. You can get a free test drive. Test drives are always awesome. With this tool, you've got email marketing, you've got SMS marketing, You've got a chat system. You've got a CRM, that's customer relation service in there, management in there, marketing automation, segmentation, landing pages, sign up forms, Facebook ad integration, and retargeting as well. Alright, so we check the pricing. The free plan comes with about 300 emails, but with the free plan you've got so many premium packages that you don't have with any other plan. So I personally will go for this plan, because if you want to start a business and do it for real, then SendinBlue is your best option. So now we're going to register with a reliable email service provider. So I'll pick SendinBlue, as I already said. So now we'll just sign up for free. Put in the company name, put in an email address, put in a company name, just put in any random name if you don't have any. I'll just put in and then I'd suggest you open a text file and you can save your details in there. So I'll say email, and then I'll put in my password. Just put in a strong password so you can copy this. Alright, and then let's get started. Alright, so they'll send you an email. Not now. So we'll wait for the email and then we'll continue. So there it is, the email is here. So let's, sorry about that, activate our email. Alright, so there it is. Confirm and activate. Alright, so we can fill in the details here. Let's say Peter. You need a correct phone number. That's very, very important. Otherwise it won't work. So all these are required fields, so you have to fill them in. So I'll just fill in my phone number. Enter. Alright, so now you can pick a plan and it will take the free plan. So that's it for the registration. Awesome, so we're done with this video. Consider liking and subscribing. Check the next related video and check the playlist for more related videos.